The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m.
If you're in this area, Cheryl.
Just want to give you the vantage point of where we're finding the possibility of a tornado touchdown, which has been evident within this thunderstorm for at least the past hour now, and it's still holding on to that rotation and strength. So just to give you an idea, and the vantage point here, a lot of you getting the updated warning, but where the storm is located.
Yep, 21 is still underway to Chicago.
There's 55, and you can see
Mobile
just
homes
to the
will be
north.
damaged
Yep,
or
20 in the morning
destroyed.
is still on continued
Damage
through.
to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lyons around 7 p.m. Justin, Summit, Bridgeview, Sacred Hills,
It's
and
still finding
Hopkins
its
around
rotation. It's
7:05
moving
p.m.
along a frontal boundary that
Burbank,
unfortunately we
Palos
cannot
Hills,
move or
North
get
of
it
the
out of the
island,
way, which
Brighton
means
Park,
as this storm
Chicago
remains,
Ridge, and
It looks like the 20 warning is still continued in Chicago.
dropping itself off to the east-southeast very slowly, it's going to still have the possibility of that
Other
rotation. So
locations in
here's
the
that
path
new
of this
warned
tornadic
zone, which
thunderstorm
does
include
include
Englewood, Auburn,
much of
Gresham,
Cook
Yep.
County
Hyde
here,
Park,
all the way
Evergreen
down
Park,
But not in our area.
You are in this
Marionette
red
Park,
zone here,
Roseland,
Not in our area.
to the south,
Blue
just to the east of
Chatham,
Tinley Park,
Fulton,
and then the
Dixmoor,
state
Harvey,
border.
South
You're
Holland,
Not in our area.
because this storm is going
Riverdale,
to continue
Phoenix,
to drop itself
Hammond,
slowly to
County
the
Med
east southeast.
City,
So
Dothan,
downtown
and
Look
Chicago
outside.
getting ready for extremely
Yep,
heavy rain
we'll have to
for
look
days.
outside.
However,
Right.
it looks to stay just to the east, or just to the west, I should say, of the city right now. So as we take you in closer, where we're finding that rotation, right now.
No tornado sirens today.
And Stickney and Summit, and this is going to continue to drop itself to the south, crossing over I-55. So people at Midway under this warning likely said seeking getting the right protocol there to seek shelter. And airports are equipped with safety measures and rooms for when stuff like this happens. But the strongest rotation
The
right
tornado
now
warning
is
for
directly
northeastern
over
DuPage County is canceled.
to Riverside.
The tornado